Here's 3 strategies that you can use to encourage better communication between your managers and your staff. Number 1, a focus group. Gather a group of employees together and let them share their feelings about the workplace in a safe environment. Yes, the first session may be a gripe session. It's okay. Let your employees vent. You'll find out what's really going on. Number 2, have stand-up meetings. Before the start of each workday, have your manager spend 5 to 15 minutes with employees, sharing project statuses, getting feedback, and letting them know what's going on. And number 3, training. Encourage your managers to offer training and professional development sessions. Spring for lunch. Learn something new together and build your community.